You really talk about the ripple effect here. Wall Street opened sharply lower this morning. It has stayed in negative territory.
Seemed to pair the losses for a little bit, but now it seems to be dropping again. So the question is this a buying opportunity? And what should you do with your investments, your 401k? Joining us to answer those questions is financial expert Dave Wentley. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Okay, I'm going to phrase this and stay with me on this one. It's down. We were down, we dropped rapidly in the first few seconds of trading.
Sure.
But we've kind of paired the losses a little bit, but it seems to be very orderly. Is there something to take from all of this?
Well, I think what we're seeing is we're digesting the news. This was an unexpected move, as you know, and the markets react violently because it was so unexpected. I think once we begin to digest and a reality sets in, markets hate uncertainty. Now the market knows they are exiting the European Union. So while it's a negative in the short term, you're going to see it become more orderly, yes.
So when you talk about in terms of right now, today, what should people do?
I would say that, like any day, keep a long-term focus. Okay. I'm actually telling clients, don't do anything today.
So no knee-jerk reactions?
No knee-jerk. No knee-jerk at all. Always keep a long-term view. Events like this, as quickly as they come up, they don't have a lasting impact on the long-term investor.
So young or old, don't do anything today. And it even
nothing.
Seems like the market, though it's down, as I mentioned, it is in this panic mode completely. It's
yes,
not out of control.
Exactly. I do think between the vote and the time that our markets opened at 9:30, we had a chance to kind of digest it somewhat and accept it. And I think that's probably what we're seeing now.
Any buying opportunities out of this?
I think if you're long-term, you could probably buy, but I'm still telling people, just let everything kind of settle first.
Well, on a different note, totally, what if you're traveling? Is this a benefit to anybody traveling in Europe now? If your kids are overseas studying this summer, if they're heading there in the fall, or if you're just planning a European vacation?
Probably because the pound is taken such a beating, which ultimately may be good for their economy. But yeah, things will be on sale over there.
All right.
I would think in terms of visiting.
I know where we're heading. All right, so stay calm. Don't just watch things and talk to Dave Wentley every couple of days on Today on 5 and 11.
Don't panic over this event. We're going to see that we have a domino effect, other ones exiting the union. That could have some ramifications, but that's down far into the future. So.
All right. Thanks, Dave.
Dave Wentley watching this closely as so many millions of people.
It's been a white knuckle morning.